Alright guys, so here we are inside our WordPress dashboard right now. So to quickly set up our WordPress blog, let's go ahead and look at our WordPress blog right now. So here you can see this is how our WordPress blog is looking right now. So first of all, let's go ahead and install a theme. So go to Generate Press. Generate Press is the best and easiest theme to install and customize. So let's go ahead and click on install and then click on download. It's a free theme. You can also go ahead and download it from generatepress.com. So click on save and we have saved it at our desktop. Now then go ahead and inside your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, and then click on add new, then click on upload, choose files and find that file. Here it is, and now click on install now. Okay, great. So it has installed. So now click on activate. Now let's go ahead and refresh our website, how it's looking. Okay, so the look of our website has changed. So now let's go ahead and set up our WordPress website quickly. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to set up permalinks. So I am not going to mention and show everything because you can go ahead and look at that in some other video I have created previously. So now let's go ahead and click on post name and let's save it. Okay, so we have done it. Now let's go ahead and create some menus. Okay, so before creating menus, you want to add some privacy policy and legal pages. To do that, go to plugins, add new, and here search for legal pages plugin. Now click on install now. Click on activate. Now go to here legal pages. Now this plugin will help you to create all legal pages on your website. So here you have to enter the details. Here is your site name, your business name, your business niche, in which niche you are in, and then here you can add your email address and all the other details that whatever you want on your site. After that, click on save. Okay, so we have saved it. Now similarly you can add your social media profile as well. You can add your Facebook page URL, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Twitter, and all the other details, and that's it. Yeah, now click on add pages. So after that, just click here on each page template and it will load the content accordingly. So click here terms of usage, and here it has loaded the content, and now click on save pages. Okay, we have created that. Now click on privacy policy. Now click on save page, then click on cookie privacy policy and save it, and now click on DMCA. Okay, save changes. Okay, now we can go ahead and look at our pages. So now when we go to our pages, so you can see here we have all the pages here. Now one more plugin I want you to download is contact me page, contact plugin. Okay, so go ahead and add new plugin and contact form 7. Install now and activate it. Okay, so we have activated it. Now let's go ahead and create add new page so that we can add. Okay, so first let's go ahead and copy paste the short code URL from contact form. So go to contact, click on forms, and now here you want to copy this code only. So this is your code for your contact form. So click on pages, add new, Here click on and write its title. It's contact me, and here you can simply add the code. Yeah, that's it. Now publish it. Click on publish. Yeah, that's it. You're good now. Okay, so we have created all our pages. Now what we want to do is we want to add new page, and here you can write about me, or you can write about yourself or your company, whatever you want to write. This page is to let your audience know who you are and what you do, and so that they can learn about you. Okay, so we have created all the pages, and let's refresh our site. As you can see, there are all the pages in the menu, but we don't want to show these pages. We want to manage our menu and show some different pages here. So let's go ahead and create a menu. So to do that, go to appearance, go to menu. Now by default, WordPress has created a menu. This is menu 1. So we can change its name. Let's change its name to main menu. Now remove all the other pages that you want on this page. So we want to remove this. We want to keep only about page. And let's create a custom link so that people can land on your home page, right? So go to custom links and copy your URL of your website. Here is your link, and let's name it home. Okay, so that's how you can add almost any URL on your menu, whatever it is. If you want people to redirect to some other pages or some other website, you can do that. So now click on create. Okay, now, and make sure you check it at primary menu, because if you don't check it, it will not show up on primary menu. So when we go ahead and refresh, now you can see that in your primary menu, all the other pages that you listed here. So now what we want our legal pages to appear here at bottom also. Okay, so how to do that? So to do that, create another menu. So click on create menu, and you can name it legal pages or whatever you want. These names are just for your reference. Click on create. Now let's add all the legal pages we have. So here are all the legal pages, and I want contact me page here also. Now you can drag and drop and manage all your pages however you want. It's all up to you. Now let's, and don't check it here in primary menu, but because if you check this option here in primary menu, the menu we created previously will disappear and this menu will start appearing on the main menu. So just click save changes. Okay, so now go to widgets. Now here you can see that we have a lot of different widgets on our site. So here is our sidebar widget, and here are all the different options are appearing on our widget according to these widgets that we have put up here. So all you want to do is you want to come here in footer bar, and you want to add a menu, navigation menu, and you want to select legal pages and save it. Let's see what changes this had made on our site. So here you can see all the different privacy policy, different, and contact me page, and all these menus here. So okay, so now we have set it up. Now if you want to resize your page template, and if you want to change your sidebars, let me show you how to do that and from where you can do that. So go to customize. Now, first of all, let's click on site identity. Here you can change your site title. If I remove initiatives from here, you can see this change. So let me put it back. Okay, so similarly, if you want to add some other title here, you can add here. Okay, but we will not be using these titles and subtitles because we are going to put logo on our site. So I'll show you how to create logo in a bit, but right now leave it as it is for now. And now from here you can change the layout. Here is your container size, and this is what you call container. If we change the container size, you can see the difference, okay, here. And if we reduce it, you can see the difference, okay. So I'll leave it as it is right now. And now let's see what happens when we click on here, okay. So it is all in one container, sidebar and your content area, post content area in the same container. But if we want it in separate container, we can do that, okay. So alignment is for box alignment and text alignment, okay. So let keep it box and go back. Now here you can change the settings in the header, and if we want to change a menu, okay, where we want to place a menu, here you can see all different changes, okay. So let's keep it in center right now, okay. So here you can see changes. This is how you can do this. And the full bar width, you can see, okay, you can see the changes. And inner header, let me show you the changes. Let me make it for default right now. And now when I go ahead and make it header with full, you can see let's contain and let's make it center again. Now I think everything is in center, okay. Here you can see the difference. When we make it contained, you can see the gap here, but we want it full width, so make it full, okay. So this is good for us. Yeah, it's looking good now. So let's move ahead to different options. We want primary menu to be full width, and we want it inside container, because if we make it full width, your menu will go here, right here. But we don't want it. We want it in the menu. So we are good with this. And where we want our menu, here you can see, and you can change the options. Here, if you want to float in right, float in left, and if you want sidebar. Okay, so make sure you understand what you're doing and just play around with this. So I don't want to go with all these options. You can play with it. I just want to set up all these things quickly for you. So okay, let's publish it. Now let's talk about the sidebar. So if right now our content area here on the left and our sidebar here on the right, but if you want to change it and you want your sidebar on the left, here if you want your sidebar to be on the left, you can do this, okay. Here is our sidebar, and right now you cannot see anything in here. The reason for that is that we haven't put anything here on the right sidebar. So let me go to our WordPress dashboard and show you what happened when you put content in right sidebar or left sidebar, okay. As you can see, there is nothing inside it right now. Let's add a calendar here, so you can see changes. So now when we publish it and refresh, okay, now you see the calendar, okay, because there was no content and that's why it was not showing. So don't get confused. Let's go to sidebar, and I just want everything to be on the all sidebar on the right and content area on the left. So I'll set it up, and I want full widget, and I want 3 footer widget area. Okay, so when we scroll down here, we will see 3 footer widget area. Okay, so that's it. These are the things that I want. And for blog, you want excerpts, not full content area. So here it is. Now you can change the color also. So here is the background color. If you want to change the background color of your site, you can do this. Okay, so let me make it default. I like default. And here you can change the text color also, right? You can see, let's leave it default for right now. You can change the link color. If I want to make it green, if you want to make it blue, whatever color you want, I leave it as it is. And link hover color, let's make it green. Okay, here it is. So that's how you can change almost anything you want. And yeah, here it is. So typography, and from here on, from typography, you can change the font or whatever you want. So let me quickly select the font that I like a lot. It nano sense. I like these fonts. I want to change these fonts on my header also. And let's make our headline bold. H1 tag bold. Okay, so we are good. That's how you can change all the different settings. Now click on general, and you don't want to do anything in here. We have already set up menus, and we can set up widgets area from inside WordPress dashboard, because it's really easy from there. It becomes confusing from here. So let's go ahead and publish it, and let's look at our website now. Okay, so here you can see all these things. So here on our home page, we can see all our latest blog posts. Then we have about me page, and then we have our contact me page with a contact form. From this page, everyone can contact you. So this is it. And now if you want to add all the other pages, you can add all the other pages in the menu. And now we have all the privacy policy pages as well. Now let's set up widget area. Go to WordPress dashboard. Now here we are on widgets. So go to appearance, click on widget. Now let's say if you don't want to show recent comments, you can delete it. You can delete archive, keep categories, or you want to remove meta, you can remove it. And whatever content you want to add in these pages, you can do it. Let's add navigation menu as well and add legal pages here. And let's save it and let's refresh. Yeah, so that's it. This is what we have done here. Okay, so here you can see all the legal pages here on our website. So this is the easiest way to set up your blog. So if you are starting out, you don't really need to do whole bunch of things, do all the settings, all the designing, because it will just you hold you back in creating content. The more time you do give to designing without knowing that what you want to do, it will just delay everything. So this is the way that you can set up your blog. Very simple, very easy. You don't need to do everything in just one day. Just set up your blog in a way that you can get started with content. That's it. You don't need to do whole bunch of things. So let me go ahead and do one more setting. So if on the home page of your website, if you cannot see all your blog posts, and you are looking at certain pages, so what you can do is you can go to settings and go to reading, and then click on static page, and here you can see and select the different pages that you want on your front page, or if you want your latest blog post on your front page, you can do this. Okay, So that's it. Uh, Yeah, I think that's good enough for us right now. We can see all the latest blog posts on our front page. All right. So this is the easiest way, guys. Don't get confused with all whole bunch of WordPress settings. If you're starting out, the most important thing on your website is your content. If you are not able to create content, nobody will be able to see what you're trying to do, and it does not really matter how good your website look if people will not be able to understand what content on your site, then your design and how good your website is with design, nothing will matter. So I want you to get started with content as soon as possible. Now let's go ahead and create a logo for your website. So we can remove this text area and title and create a logo and add that logo here. So to create a logo, go to Canva. Okay, canva.com, and now click on the sign up with Google. Sign up with Google, and yeah. Okay, so we have logged in, and now what you can do is go to templates, and now here you can see logos. Now Canva provides you a lot of different templates that you can use for your website. So you can choose depending upon the category that you have. Okay, so when you click on any certain categories, it will show you some designs based on that. So let's go to brand, and from here you can see there's multiple different logos here, and let's go back and choose a simple design for us. And I'll show you a trick also that you can use to create a beautiful logo for your site. Simple, easy, and beautiful. So let's click on, let's scroll and look at some designs. Okay, so I like this one. It's really simple and easy, and I'll show you how to make it beautiful. So when you click on this, it will ask you to choose color, and you can choose some different color here. Now what we can do is let's click on use this template, or if you want to choose some other template, you can choose some other template also. But I want to use this template, so click on use this template. Now here you can write the name of your website by clicking on this digital initiatives. Now from here you can, okay, let's make it 80, and yeah. Now let's move this one here. Now let's change the color of this. So as soon as we click on it here, from here we can choose the color of it. Okay, let's make it blue, and let's copy this blue color, and here change the font. Okay, so we are good. So if you want to change the font or anything, you can make it bold, and you can do a whole bunch of things here. Let me move it here. Okay, so we are good. So we can move here to align with our text, so it will look good then. Let's change the color of our, let's go to here and copy this color, right, and change the color of this text also, and copy paste this text here. Okay, and let's make it bold. It was bold. Okay, so here is our logo. It is simple. So guys, that when you're starting out and when you want to create a logo, the easy trick to create a logo is just add write your title and choose different fonts. Okay, so by choosing different fonts and fancy fonts, you can make your logo look beautiful without using a lot of designs. As you can see here, I have not done anything special. All I did is I have choose some fancy fonts here, and now by clicking here I can go ahead and choose different fonts and make my website look different. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so just by clicking and choosing the fonts I can change the look of my logo. All right, you can see there are multiple different fonts here available to us. Okay, so let's keep it like this, and similarly you can do that trick here. Okay, so once you are good with logo, once you have created your logo, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on download, and from here you can click and download your logo from here. But if you want transparent background, it is only available in premium option. But let's say if you don't want to use this Canva site for different logos, although you can use it, but what you can do is you can click on free trial. You can get 30-day trial for free, and then you can download a transparent background logo for your site. And then if you don't want to continue with premium subscription, you can just log out and cancel the premium subscription, and that's okay. Okay, so that's how you can use the premium fonts and premium features of Canva site without paying anything. Okay, so now let's go ahead and click on download. Now let's save it. Okay, so that's how I created the logo. And now when you want to upload that logo on your site, so let me show you another trick to make that transparent. So go to appearance, customize, go to site identity and hide tagline, hide site title, and then click on select logo, and let's upload our logo. And let's select, and here you can crop it. Okay, crop your logo. So crop it. Okay, so as you can see, here is our logo. It's looking good. So now as you can see that it is like right now it's very big, and let's make its color or bit different. You can from here you can choose the width of your logo. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's good now. It's 480. Now change the header color. From where we can do that? I've seen that option somewhere. Okay guys, I'm not seeing that option right now, but I've seen that option somewhere. I don't know why I cannot see that option here. Yeah. Anyways guys, let's leave it right now for for this video. If you can see that option here and you can change that background color and you understand what you need to do. So this is the easiest way to set up your blog fast, so you can start creating on content on your site and you don't get bothered with all the design and functionality of your site. So this is it for this video guys. If you are still having problem in setting up your blog, let me know and I will try to help you with some more videos. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching.